we're back in the garage. I'm over here with the Civic Type R and the ZL1 mud flaps, rock guards, you get it. So I'm gonna put these on. Hopefully it'll be fine. I shouldn't have run into any problems. Process looks pretty simple. The front just has 3 push clips. The rear has 2 screws, and then there's clips after that. Let's get to it. One mud flap in the rear passenger side. Show you right here. This bothers me a little bit. You see this little gap? I tried to adjust it. 1 screw up here, 1 screw here, and then 2 clips just clip onto the bottom. Here's a look from the back. I mean, there wasn't really any like rock debris getting back here, so I might not keep these and just keep the front ones, because the front, you can see like debris getting right here on the quarter panel, on the fender flare, all in the door, on the side skirt, kicking up from the front wheel. The rear didn't really have a problem. It was just pretty much dirty on the side and the inside of this. The rears were easy, so I'm gonna do the other rear and then we'll tackle the fronts. Take a closer look into what's happening here. So here's a mud guard, screws, 2 screws. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna put the screw through the mud guard, and then the washer is gonna go in the back, so it sits in that recess there. When you tighten up the screws, it'll be flush, and then the 2 clips pretty much clip onto here. This one sits a little higher so that the gap over here is not that bad. I just finished wrapping up the ZL1 rock guards on the Civic Type R, and the fronts look pretty good. Definitely adds protection, because you can see all that gunk, all this gunk. The rears. So I'm gonna say that install was really easy. Anyone can do this. Just a few screws, clips, and a new plastic push pin. Pretty much all set, ready to go. Alignment, you didn't really have to adjust much. It's just how they come, you just put it on. This took not even 30 minutes. Hopefully this will protect the car. It looks pretty sleek, it looks good. I mean, it was cleaner without the rock guards. I'll link these in the description below. Thanks for watching. On to next stuff.